Here is my review of these 6-inch heavy duty risers. As you can see, these things are seriously strong. And so I use these under my king size bed and they didn't budge. They actually don't budge, right? So they're super stable, no creaking, no cracking. So they've been perfect for lifting heavy furniture like couches and tables. But in this case, we're using it for this king size bed. It's great for maximizing under bed storage. And really, that's why we got it. We bought one first, but you can see, we have a little bit of a interesting frame with our bed leg here. And so we had to go back and we ended up getting these and they fit really well for this like L size that we have here with the bed. And so it fits it great, no slipping. So if you need a reliable heavy duty support, this gets the job done. It came in a pack of 4. And so we used it and it's keeping the bed up nice and strong. Do a little bit of bouncing on it. We put some stuff under it. And so it's been good to go since we've had it. So make sure, check it out today.